Hey everyone, this is Isaac and welcome to another Photoshop tutorial. In this video I'm going to teach you everything you need to know about the gradient tool in Photoshop. The gradient tool is located on the left of your screen, on the toolbar. And here are all the settings you can choose for your gradients. Let's go over them all. The first thing you can choose is the type of the gradient. You have a gradient and a classic gradient. Classic gradients have less control over it, so I recommend using a gradient. But let me show you how these work as well. Where I want my gradient to start, I'm going to click and hold my mouse click, and then drag until I'm satisfied with how long I want my gradient to be. When I'm satisfied, I can let go of my mouse. And as you can see, what I created, I can't change. You also have the option for the blending modes. But blending modes are basically just how you want your gradient to interact with the rest of your picture. If I go over to the normal gradient and I do the same thing, as you can see, I have more control now. I can change the position of the gradient. I can change the blending of the gradient, and here on the right I can change everything else. So let's go over all of the next settings. Here you can choose the color of your gradients. Photoshop has a lot of these presets, which are really good. Here you have the basics, blues, purples, pinks, and the rest of the colors. And if you want to choose a custom color, select your gradient, and on the right you can select new colors by double clicking the icons. You can also adjust the smoothness and the location. Down here you can also select the opacity of your colors. And here you can save the preset or reset canvas controls. Up here we have 5 different types of gradients. This is the linear gradient, we have the radial gradient, which creates a circular gradient. We have an angle gradient. We have a reflected gradient. And we have a diamond gradient. If you quickly want to swap the colors on your gradient, press reverse. And if you want to smooth it out a little bit, click dither. The last option you have is the methods. We have 5 methods: perceptual, linear, classic, smooth, and stripes. I recommend using perceptual, classic, or smooth, but for your needs you may need the other 2 as well. And that's it for this video. If you found this video useful, subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Check the description below for the links of all my socials, and if you have any questions or future video requests, leave them down in the comments below.